Yes.
Are you going? Good afternoon, class. Today we're going to learn how to add and subtract polynomials. Now, what is a polynomial? It's a mathematical expression, sum of several terms, and each term is a monomial. Do we remember what a monomial is? Does anybody know?
No.
No, it's just a simple expression, just one by itself. So if I have 5x squared, right? That's just a monomial. Right? If I want to add 2x plus 1, now I have a polynomial. Poly meaning many, mono meaning one. I'm taking you way back. I know y'all are past this level, but I'm trying to refresh and review what we've already went over. Okay? Now, to go to adding and subtracting polynomials, we got to review what's a like term. Do we remember what a like term is? Anybody remember what a like term is? Let's use 5x squared, 5x, 2x squared, 3x to the third. Do you see any similarities in those numbers?
2x squared.
5x and 2x squared, they both have the same exponent, same x. The constant up front can be different, but as long as we have the same exponents, we have like terms. Alright, and when we go to add like terms, can I add 5x plus 5x squared? Now we can add and subtract the like terms, so 5x squared plus 2x squared is
7x squared.
7x squared. Now we can do it horizontally or vertically, right? We can go 5x squared plus 2x squared. Still gives us the same thing, but it's just a different way. Some people see it differently. Right or something. Alright, so now what we're going to do is well, you know what? Is when I was sitting in your chair thinking back, you know what are we using this for in real life? What can we use polynomials for in real life? Anybody have a clue? Nobody? Well, I looked it up. Now we can use polynomials in real life. They use them to describe curves, various types. People use them in the real world to graph curves. Alright? So they use that a lot in working for graphing curves and doing all kind of good stuff by measuring or expressing energy, inertia, voltage difference. So electricians probably use polynomial mathematical equations in their day-to-day work. You know, that's just a little tidbit information for you guys. Now, getting into the meat. Do you feel comfortable? Do we remember how to add like terms, subtract like terms? Do you feel comfortable? We'll move right into today's lesson, adding and subtracting polynomials. That's right, it's always good to smile, especially when we're dealing with math. I'm going to give us an example right here. 5x squared plus 8x minus 3. And we're going to add. Well, we're not subtracting this, we're going to add 2x squared minus 7x plus 13x. Alright, we're going to do this horizontally. So we're going to put our like terms together. I'm going to put 5x, and I like to mark it out, that way I don't go back and overlook it or put it in there more than once. And I have another x squared, which is 2x squared. I'm going to get rid of that one as well. Now, and I want to keep these in descending order in my exponents. A polynomial will go down, so you'll have the highest exponent here going down to no exponents. Can somebody get the door for me? So now I'm going to put my 8x. Do I have another matching with the 8x? And I do. Let's get rid of that 8x. I have a negative 7x over here. Alright, and let's get rid of that. So what do I have left? Now I have an x. There's no x, so I'm going to put my 13x there, and I'm left with 3. So now we just rewrote the problem, putting all of our in descending order together. So now, I'll add that, which will give me 5 plus 2 is 7, get my x squared, plus 8, what's that? We gotta keep our signs, remember our signs. That's 8, what do we do when we're subtracting? We subtract to keep the sign of the larger number. So 8 minus 7 is just simply 1x. But I have another x, right? So I'll just rewrite that there. Minus 3. I know, but he's on a job, sweetie.
I'm
So
working.
now, that's 13x. I still have like terms that I have to get rid of there. 7x, and that's, I'll tell you what. 1 plus 13 is 14x minus 3. Now, there's nothing else we can do. That is finito, finished. That is in its final form. I don't have any more like terms to distribute. Does everybody feel comfortable with that? And you just stepping in, do you remember this? Do we need to review a little for you? We reviewed like terms. We're adding and subtracting polynomials today. We just added one. Now I will subtract one. I will do this and I'll subtract one. What's the time there?
6:30.
Oh man, I'm flying. I thought I was way behind. I'm ahead. I'm gonna have to cram it in here in a hurry, aren't I? So let's go 5x. Let's just do the same one. 5x squared plus 8x minus 3 minus 2x squared minus 7x plus 13x. Now we're subtracting this one, all right? So it's going to be a little different than the addition because what do we have to do? I've got to distribute that negative sign into this polynomial. Poly meaning, ma'am? Oh, they're talking to me. They're talking in class. So let's rewrite this, 5x squared plus 8x minus 3. Now let's distribute our negative sign. So it's going to give me a negative times a positive is a negative 2x squared. A negative times a negative is what? A positive 7x. And then a negative 13x. Now we did the other one, we did the addition horizontally. Let's do this one vertically. All right, let's match them up here. 5x minus 2x. 2x squared. We got those x's right there. Let's rewrite this one more time. 5x squared plus 8x and we gotta put them together, don't we? Minus 2x, let's put them together. Mark that out. Plus 8x. Keep me straight, class, keep me straight. Plus 7x minus 13x minus 3. All right, that is rewritten. Five minus 2x gives us a 3x squared. Those two plus 15x. Now we can go ahead and do it in our head if we want to, but I'm going to rewrite that out because we have one more x there. Minus 3. And our last step, we don't have any more like terms. X squared, we bring that down. We do the math here because those are like terms. Subtract and keep the sign of the largest number, right? Got your cheat sheets up there. It's going to give us a positive 2x minus 3. Now we cannot go any further, right? That is as far as we can go. That is finished.
So how come
What's the time?
9:20?
Huh?
9:20.
9:20? Now what we're going to do now is let's do one together. All right? Will y'all assist me on this one? You want to do addition or subtraction? Let you pick. Anybody?
Addition.
Addition. Here we go. Negative 2k to the third minus 7k. Keep wanting to put x up there. To the second minus 5k. Plus, since Ms. Price picked addition, 6k to the second plus 3k. All right. What do we do first?
And you compare them, compare like terms. Or
And
match.
keep it in descending order, right? We can take the parentheses out if we want to.
Yeah.
So what's the highest exponent?
3.
3. Do I have another 3?
No.
Number to the third? So we will put that by itself. And I like to mark them out, that keeps me straight. Now what's next? What will be the next to highest?
The 2.
Next to the 2. So we would rewrite that. What are we bringing here? What do you want to bring here? And I like to work from left to right.
Plus 7k.
Is that a plus or a negative?
Uh,
So that's a negative 7k to the second, right? Do I have another
6K.
6k? Is that are we adding or subtracting from it?
Add.
We're going to add 6k to the second.
oh, so the middle, the sign in the middle don't affect the print everything.
This
on the
right here is just telling us we're adding those.
Yeah, I'm saying, but it don't affect the one on the left though. Like
It
when you-
doesn't affect this one, no.
Okay.
No. All right, now what do we have left?
5K and 3K.
We've got positive 5k plus 3k. Now, if that was subtraction, we'd have to distribute the
Okay.
negatives. We'd have to do that, and that would flip it, so. All right. Did I write it wrong?
It's 2K3. 2K3.
2k to the third
Put
power.
it to the second, but it's
Oh, yeah, there we go. Now what do we do? Combine like terms, how are we gonna combine those? Do we have anything?
Nope.
no.
No, so we can bring that down once again, right?
Yep.
Negative 2k to the third.
And you get
And what do we have here?
negative k, negative k squared.
And why? Because with opposite signs, we add, or we subtract and keep the sign of a larger number, right?
Yep.
Now what do we have left?
Add those 5K and 3K.
8k plus 8k.
Which will be 8k. And it's pretty simple. You combine them, you're just adding 5 plus 3 and then rewriting your variable. You're subtracting 6 from 7, keeping that sign. Right? Now, since we've gone over, do you feel comfortable going over that?
Yeah.
Yes, we do. So what we're gonna do now is I will have this worksheet that I'm gonna hand out to you guys, and you're gonna practice it on your own. If you need help, I'll walk around and I will assist you. And when it gets done, then we will take a quiz tomorrow. And Friday, we will have our examination on adding and subtracting polynomials. I appreciate everybody's support today. It was fun. I saw a lot of smiles. Thank you. God bless you.